What's up, guys? I am on my way home from work here on this Friday afternoon, and right before I left work, box of Chocolates ADV, and I'll put a link to his video in the description and the card up here in the corner. He had just released a video talking about his last ride on the KLR, and he mentioned a lot of cool stuff in that video about meeting new people, making new friends. And I will tell you that you know, is the whole delusional thing came about from Scratch Babble putting a bunch of us together and forming the KLR Delusionals. He and I have, Sean and I have been fortunate that we live close enough together that we've actually ridden together a few times. And you know, a previous video, he came down to my house because he's in the area for business, and he rode my KLR and I rode the Tiger, and we went out for a ride together. But what a lot of people don't know is that Scratch Babble, Mace's ADV, Full Cipher, and Swanky Cat, Box of Chocolates, and myself, we also do a lot of talking via email, text messages, phone calls, and we hang out a lot on Google Hangouts. So a lot of the information that you see on our videos, the rest of the Delusionals already know about those things, and sometimes it's hard not to mention things that we already know. Like he talked about getting his KTM today in the video, and I've known about that for some time. And the same with Swanky Cat and the Super Tenere. And it's so hard not to. It's so hard that when you do a vlog about a subject that's maybe similar to that, not to spill the beans about one of the KLR Delusionals getting a new motorcycle or a new Farkle for their KLR or whatever the case may be. But at any rate, he did mention meeting good people and making a lot of friends, and I will attest to that fact, because even though Sean and I have only met a few times in person, hell, 4 or 5 times, I guess. I do consider him a good friend, I really do. And I haven't met the other Delusionals, but I still feel the same way about them. I know that if we were to have a meetup somewhere, we'd all get along just fine. And you know, a lot of the subscribers that we interact with too, that own KLRs or other motorcycles, we all get along really well too. And we are actually, you know, this trip to Alaska was actually initiated by a subscriber, Craig, who has a KLR, and he just bought a new motorcycle as well. Well, new to him. I don't think it's brand new, but you might be seeing Craig in an upcoming camping trip. You might be seeing Craig, Sean, and myself in an upcoming camping trip at an undisclosed location at an undisclosed time of the year. So just look forward to that, and we'll all three be on bikes other than a KLR 650. I'm really looking forward to it, and I'm looking forward to the trip to Alaska too. And that's going to be an epic journey. But that's a little bit down the road, so I got time to stop talking about that, and it'll still be a new idea when it does happen. So I was talking about the Klim Badlands Pro pants this morning, and how when I sit on the bike they ride above the short adventure boots that I'm wearing. Well, I contacted my dealer, because that's who I bought them through, to see if, even though I don't have the tags on them, and I bought them, you know, in August, the end of August, would it still be possible to exchange them? And he hasn't got back with me yet. But I looked on the website, and they do make the ones I had were a 32 regular. When I tried them on, they fit perfect. But like I said, the crotch of the pants is low. It hangs low, and when you sit on your bike, it pushes the crotch up, of course, and shortens the legs, and that was the problem I was having. So I'm going to see if they'll do an exchange. I'm going to exchange them for the 32 longs, and if that's the case, I'll report back on them to see if that makes a difference. I'm hoping it does. I don't know why I didn't notice that at first, but I didn't want pants that were going to be dragging the ground with my boots on too, so it's a trial and error thing, and you almost have to try them all on to find the size that fits you best. Otherwise, you're going to end up doing what I do. You have to order what you think is going to fit, try it on, send it back, try the next one on, and just continue to do that until you find the right fit. Hopefully, I'll be able to exchange these pants, but I will keep you updated on that as well. I am wearing my Klim Badlands Pro pants today because there's calling for rain just part of the morning, and I wanted to comment that they aren't fitting me as expected. If you go to get these pants, I'm not sure if I can return them now or not, because I don't have the tags anymore, because I've had them for over a month. But if you go try these pants on, sit on a bike with them, because I have, now they're going to work if I wear my tall Forma adventure boots, but with the short ones I have on, they come up to the top of the boot, which, you know, when it's raining, you're not going to be happy with that. You want them to cover the whole boot. So that's a problem in my mind. If they make these in a long and you have a 34-inch inseam or better, I would go for a long version. I don't know, I should try to contact my dealer or Klim to see if they can exchange them or something. I don't know, but if they have a long version, I'm going to check, because I like these short boots for commuting, but you know, if I have to wear the long ones in inclement weather, then that's fine too. But yeah, if you have short boots, these are the Forma Adventure shorter ones, and these pants fit perfect otherwise, but as soon as I sit on the bike, it pulls them up, and it's not, I don't know how it is. I think it's the way they're made, so when I'm standing and whatever, they're fine, but when you sit on the bike, it pushes the crotch part of the pants up, of course, so they don't hang as low, and thereby shortening the legs. Just an FYI, I don't have a photo or how these look, but if I can get home, and I don't know if I can do it or not, maybe I'll set the GoPro to the side and I'll sit on the bike and I'll show you what I'm talking about. But yeah, it's raining this morning, just a little bit, really light, misty drizzle. So but it's supposed to stop within the hour. You can see the sky up there is already, everything's breaking apart. So, but I thought I would try the Klim Badlands Pro pants on today, and I just have a pair of gym shorts on underneath them, and it's 56 degrees, and quite honestly, I don't think I need any thermal liners under them right now, so which is perfect. But this is a pain in the butt for me to do, because I have to now I had to pack a pair of jeans in my backpack and take them to work with me, and then I got to go somewhere, and I have a private office, but it's got a window, and I don't have any window coverings, like no shades or Venetian blinds. I could probably rectify that, no problem. But so now I got to go to the restroom and change into my britches, which, like I said, it's no big deal. It's just me being lazy. But other than that, these pants are great. I'm enjoying them. My legs aren't getting, my shins aren't getting wet, should I say. I mean, they barely come to the top, but still, it's farther up than I would like. Wow, people drive like idiots. I really do swear. Speed limit is 55. He passed it in no passing zone, in the rain, with other people in front of him. And then he had to hit his brakes when he got up there because there's a car turning. And what's he go? Man, people are just, look, where is he going? Where did he think he was going? I'm telling you now, when you ride on the road, I don't care how fast you're riding, somebody is going to be faster than you. Now, I'm not saying I'm not going to pass this car, because I don't know how fast they're going to go up here. I mean, I pass people for a multitude of reasons. People who do drive below the speed limit, people who can't maintain a constant speed. That's annoying to me as well. If you got somebody who the speed limit is 55, one minute they're going 60, the next minute they're going 50. I just can't handle that. But this car in front of me is going 60, almost 60 miles an hour. So I don't know why that truck decided he needed to pass them. Anyway, I digress off my pants. So yeah, I can the front of these, well, they're hugging now. They come right to the top of these boots. I mean, right to the top. And maybe it's my ride position. Maybe you know, I could feel wind blowing up the leg now, but it's not. It's the fact that when you sit on this bike, the way the pants are designed, the crotch is low, but when you sit, oh my God, look, can you see this up here? This guy is just passing people. He made the car coming the opposite way almost get off the road. People are idiots, I tell you. Anyway, I know that didn't show up on a GoPro because of the wide angle and how far ahead he was. What you gonna do? People are gonna be dumbasses. But back to the Badlands Pro pants. Yeah, they're good. I mean, they're warm, they're comfortable. They just need to be about 3 inches longer. I don't know, 3 inches, maybe 2 inches longer. Or the crotch, like I said, when you wear the pants, the crotch is low, so the pants fit perfect in the waist and everything. But as soon as you sit on the bike seat, that low crotch is not low anymore. It's pushed all the way up against you, thereby shortening the legs. That's just something to consider when you buy these pants. But anyway, yep, that's pretty cool that Box of Chocolates is getting a new KTM 790R or 7. What do you call that? Is that an Adventure 790R, or is it a 790 Adventure R, or is it a 790R Adventure? Whatever the case, I'm looking forward to seeing that bike in person, and I'm sure he's riding it right now. So yeah, it's cooler. Fall is here. I'm somewhat happy about the weather. I don't like it too cold. I don't like it too hot. So this is like perfect for me. So at any rate, you guys be safe. Get out and ride, get outside, stay out of the house, enjoy life. Don't let this whole year go to waste. And you guys be safe, and I'll talk to you again soon. What's up, guys? I just want to take this couple of seconds here to thank you for watching the video all the way to the end. I really do appreciate it. It means a lot to me. Please leave a comment, and I will always comment and get back to you guys. You know I always do. And if you're in the local area or you're passing through and you got time and I have time, maybe we can meet up for a cup of coffee, smoke a cigar, go for a motorcycle go for a motorcycle ride, or even wet a hook out in the river or pond somewhere. I appreciate it. Y'all be safe, and I'll talk to you again on the next video.